You need to watch this if you struggle with understanding the beauty and power of nature's apex predators. Today we're talking about the wolf. The wolf, a symbol of wilderness and freedom, has roamed the earth for thousands of years. Known for their intelligence and complex social structures, wolves live in packs led by an alpha pair. These packs are tight-knit families, where cooperation is key to survival. Wolves communicate through a rich language of howls, barks, and body language. Their howls can be heard up to 10 miles away, a hauntingly beautiful call that unites the pack and marks their territory. Did you know a wolf's sense of smell is up to 100 times more sensitive than humans? This incredible olfactory power helps them track prey over vast distances.